Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to find and sync contacts on Facebook. So you have to just open your Facebook app on your Android device or desktop. So when it's open, you have to go to the three horizontal lines of the top setting and scroll down to find settings. When you have to click to the setting and privacy, again you have to click to the settings and open the account center and scroll down. There is your information and permissions, so you have to click to the information and permissions. So open the your information permissions and there is upload contacts. Click to upload contacts and click to your profile of the top one and turn it on. So now it will be sync the contact on your device by Facebook. So get started, click to the get started and allow the permissions of your contacts, so it will be synced. So it will be processing the all procedure. It may take normal time. So you see it will be all sync my contacts from my phone. So this is, hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.